Well, financial stocks have been getting a lot of attention from investors recently, and with good reason, since that group tends to do well as interest rates rise. Dominic Chu has more on the sector that's been a standout.
It's still early in the summer and too early to put June in the books, but a real standout in the stock market so far this season has been the financials. It's the best performing sector among the 10 in the large cap S&P 500 index. Some of the nation's largest banks are helping to power the gains. Take mortgage lender Wells Fargo, or diversified banking giant JP Morgan Chase, or regional bank PNC Financial. All three are trading at or near record high levels, and there are reasons to be optimistic.
If you look at absolute lending volume, it's picking up, it's growing, and it's poised to grow faster, okay? Second of all, with the spreads rising again, each of those loans is going to be more profitable to the banks. So they're getting benefits on both ends. They're not just making more loans, they're making more money on each of those loans.
The overall environment for interest rates plays a big role in how many traders and investors view the banks. As interest rates rise, the conventional wisdom is that it's good for the banks, and that's because banks can lend out money at higher rates and hopefully generate more profits. But the path forward for bank stocks is anything but clear, with investment risks lingering.
I do think that there are banks out there and other companies in other parts of the financial markets who might be taking additional risks as far as credit quality goes. I think it's okay for a bank to lose business if they're losing it because they're not willing to price out higher risk credits. And I think that's a risk.
Financials haven't been getting a lot of attention over the past couple of years, as other sectors like healthcare, utilities, and energy have been grabbing a lot of headlines. But with a 16% weighting in the overall S&P 500, financials are the second biggest sector, trailing only technology. So it could have a bigger than average impact on the direction of the overall market. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.